Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a quick review on an eyeliner and it is by the company Colorbar. It is called the All Matte Eyeliner. Now the product retails for rupees 700 and you get 2.5 milliliter of product. It comes in three colors which is black, blue and brown. Now when it says it's all matte, is it really matte? And it's very difficult to find out eyeliners, liquid eyeliners which are like really matte. I see that some of the eyeliners have a satin finish which is not usually very flattering and loved, although some people really like it, but mostly a matte eyeliner is something that people reach out for because it really opens up your eyes, and that is why a matte formulation is always loved by the makeup artists, especially a gel liner. Does it look like a gel liner? That is also what I'm going to talk about in this video. Okay, so as I said, this eyeliner, the packaging is like this. It has this all matte packaging which sort of represents the matte finish of the liner. The applicator is such, it is pointed and it has a very fine tip, as you can see, and on the sides the tip can bend. Now this is something that I really like in a liner because it helps to draw certain shapes. Now whenever you're doing your eyeliner, apart from just the basic line, doing a winged eyeliner is also something that a girl loves, and they always want an eyeliner that helps them achieve that precision. The applicator of this liner is really good and it really helps you to achieve, you know, that cat eye effect. Also, it is smudge proof, as you can see here. And it says it stays on for 16 hours. Now I haven't worn this for 16 hours, although I did wear this liner overnight, like from the evening till the morning, and it did stay on. Of course, I wasn't disappointed. I actually wore this liner for my wedding and even for my engagement, and I was very happy, very comfortable on the eyes, looks amazing. It doesn't even flake like one of those waterproof liners do. One thing that I really like about this liner is that matte finish, like that of a gel eyeliner. Now gel liner is a makeup artist's favorite, and there's a reason for that, because of the texture, because it opens up your eyes, works on most eye shapes and looks amazing. But I see so many people not using it because it's very difficult. You need to have that artistic hand because it comes in a pot, you have to use a brush to apply it, not very practical, not on the go, and that's why, you know, mostly we reach out for pen eyeliners or liquid eyeliners. So if you're looking for a liquid liner with the gel liner finish, this is the liner to go for. That is why it is one of those products that I reach out for when I really want my liner to stand out, because it does give that matte effect and gel eyeliner finish, and it comes in a liquid formulation. I don't know how did they do that, but I really like this product by the company. The price is 700, so it really depends. I think most of the liners come in under 500 in the drugstore, so that could be one of the things that you might not like about this liner. If you're really looking for that super matte, super pigmented formulation, I think this one is totally worth the money. You can always look out for offers, but I think even at 700 it is worth it. The only thing you need to be careful about with this liner is that it dries pretty quick, so you take a little and then work your way, and especially when you're doing your flake, take very little product on your brush and then you can gradually do your eyeliner. So that's it guys, that's it. This is my review on the Colorbar All Matte Eyeliner. Let me know in the comments what is the product that you want me to review next. Do you want me to talk about kajals, lipsticks? What is that product you want me to talk about? I want to know in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on my social media, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.